1, 2, 3, 4. Doom tek tek doom tek. Doom tek tek doom tek.
So hello guys and welcome back to my channel Scribble. I hope all of you are doing very good just like me, and I am too very good. So recently I have shared many of my tour and travel trips with you guys, and you guys have given a very great response. So today I thought to come over with a makeover blog with you guys, and it is very much necessary how to prepare yourself while going out during summer season. So guys, I have bought a makeover tutorial for you guys on your demand, that how to create your look during a summer season of a sweaty and oily skin, and how to get rid of all that and look fabulous in your own dress up. So please watch the video to the full and let me know that how you have liked this video and whether it is helpful or not. So if you like this video, then surely subscribe, like and comment down in my video, and stay tuned for more such entertaining vlogs and makeover vlogs. Firstly, in order to moisten my skin, I am taking a cold water bottle from the freezer and applying it evenly in my skin in order to moisten it up and to give a cool sensation. As it is a summer makeover, I would like to avoid all sorts of other things like primers and all, and I am applying direct CC cream of Lakme. I will smudge the same in a tap motion, and as it is a light makeover during summer season while going to offices and all, so we would like to finish off the makeover in a very short period of time. So keep on watching guys. With a eyebrow brush, I would like to set off my eyebrows now. I am taking a eyebrow pencil and I am shaping off my eyebrows in the same way as shown in the video. Now I am taking a lipstick shades which is having 5 shades in one, and its review is already given in my channel in the description box. You can check the video link and can check out the video of this lipstick. This is really my favorite one, so go and please check it out. I will apply the blush using the same. It is a very light makeover. For daily purpose you can do this makeover and using very less things. So you can see by using only one product, I am doing the blush, I am doing the eyeshadow as well as the lipstick. So, and I am smudging the same using my hands and without any brush. Now I am using eyeliner, black eyeliner from Lakme in my upper eyelids. I am using the black kajal of Maybelline and applying it in the lower lid very securely and very properly. I was confused about applying the lipsticks, but lastly I chose a matte finish lipstick in a lighter shade. Lastly, in order to add some more glow into my skin, I am using highlighter from Iconic and I am applying it in my highlighted region like nose, forehead, upper lids and all. You can find that in this video I haven't used any sort of brushes in order to do my makeover. I have used my fingers in order to smudge and to give a perfect lookout to my skin. In order to give a traditional lookout, I have used bindi and wore earrings accordingly. Now I have combed my hair properly and left it aside in order to give a traditional look. So this is my final makeover look, which you can do during a summer season and while going out in the offices or attending some programs or functions like that. This is a very light makeover and I have used very less products to create this look. So I hope you guys gonna be helpful and get rid of all those sweaty and oily skins during summer. In spite of all those, you gonna be glamorous. And the ladies over here, please subscribe my channel for more such makeover vlogs, and I will come up soon with some handicrafts and artworks too. So stay tuned guys, and till then, take care and